Everybody, thanks for watching. This is for lifetime members and for people who's going to be purchasing lifetime membership. Just a quick reminder that today is the last day for that. If you're going to get the membership, now is the time to do it. All the spots are filling up, and once they are gone, they will be gone. But for everybody who has signed up who is already a lifetime member before the upgrade, all you guys need to go to your profile page once you sign in, and go and you'll see under here you can request for account verification. Now this will be done automatically eventually, but it'll be quicker if you guys click the little verify account, and your account will be verified. Everyone who is a lifetime member will have account verification. Anybody who is not, unless you're a gold or diamond member or something like that, you'll have to wait till you get a certain amount of friends and it'll automatically be verified. But for those who are lifetime members, you will automatically get verification. So once you guys have registered, make sure you click that link to verify account. Everybody who is waiting to get full access will have full access. We are still upgrading the site. So just give it some time and you'll have full access. There's no links, no special links or codes. You simply register like everybody else. And after you register, we know everybody who is a lifetime member. We already know all the people who were lifetime members and the new people who will be signing up. So we already know who you guys are. Just give us some time to go ahead and finish updating the site, and it'll be fast if you guys go ahead and click verify account, so we can spot you guys quicker. But we're going through, I mean, it's a lot of people, it's hundreds of people. So we're going through everybody we know who is a lifetime member. So before the day is over, before the weekend, everything should be straightened out through this weekend. But before the day is over, everybody should have full access, and everybody who is a lifetime member should have their accounts verified. So when you go to somebody's page or somebody comes to your page and they see verification, that means you're a lifetime member or gold member, so on and so forth. So people who are also waiting for the phone site, the app is still being worked on as the site is being upgraded. So eventually the app will be out sooner than later. And you guys will be able to log in via Merkabah Academy app. But for now, for those who are confused about what to do once they register, there's no special links or codes. Just simply register, click verify account. You will be granted full access eventually to the entire site. So just be patient, and we'll take care of that for you guys. And your accounts will be verified, and you'll be good to go. But so far so good. The spots are filling up quickly for those who are waiting, and there is a lot more coming to the site. And please guys, make sure you guys are uploading profile pictures. There's a lot more coming to the site, and eventually the site is filling up quick, and eventually, because I do not have my own server, which is I'm in the process of getting my own server and everything that one needs to basically run a site like this. This is a lot of work, and I don't think people understand what goes into all this, and what it takes to keep something like this going. Especially when you start getting a lot of followers, and I suspect a lot of people will be joining this site. So one of the reasons why you guys want to become lifetime members is once the site starts to really fill up, the first people that's going to be gone is people who don't have no profile picture, and people who are not members. So we're going to have to cut some people until we get that server up and running, till we can really be able to have a lot, millions of people, hundreds of thousands of people even on this site. We don't want the thing to crash, but we have a lot of capacity right now, and we can really hold at least a good 100,000 people probably right now. So definitely take advantage of the lifetime membership sale. One day only. This is it. Won't be up here again. And take advantage of it. But for you guys who have been waiting to get full access, it'll be quicker once you guys hit that verify account, because then they'll be able to see that you hit the account and be able to match your name up with lifetime membership and go ahead and just give you full access. Right now, there's a painstaking process for my guy who has to go through, all this and upgrade everybody. It's not, simple right now since we converted the site over and the code is, you know, kind of different. A lot of this stuff is plugins and stuff like that as well. So, you know, when you have to alter a plugin, it takes some time. But thanks for your patience, and you guys will be verified. You guys will have full access before the day is out. And if you don't have full access before the day is out, you will have it for sure before the weekend is out. But most likely today. So again, there'll be no codes, no special links or anything like that. Just simply, you know, register. It's on the home page. No special link to register. It's right here. Click the register button. Go there and register, and you'll be taken straight to your account. You'll be able to go to your profile page and hit the verify account. And once you guys do that, it'll be much easier to go ahead and give you guys full access. So definitely want to thank you guys for your membership, for your patience and support, and I'll see you guys next video.